Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Tonight, the cost of a Shiba Inu will double. Great news from Shib, as new tokens and coins like Shibarium and Shiba Inu are released on a regular basis. The use of cryptocurrencies is growing in acceptance and popularity. Built on Ethereum, Shibarium is a new layer to the Shiba Inu blockchain network. Shiba Inu, a funny currency, will become a whole ecosystem as a result. We're going to discuss Shiba Inu. This evening, the cost of this film is going to double. Big moves on Shib's part. To see more professional analysis and pricing projections for Shiba in the US, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give the video a thumbs up. Let's get the video started now. Shiba Inu is currently among the top 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market value and has developed into a well-liked joke coin. The Shib team has continued to grow and take on new projects at a consistent rate. The Shib ecosystem is well known for the significant objectives and benchmarks it has attained. Binance declared on April 18th that Shiba Inu would be leaving the innovation zone. This was a significant advancement for the business. According to a recent announcement, the largest cryptocurrency exchange plans to remove Shiba Inu and a few other tokens, including 1inch, Fracture Trust Wallet, and token from the innovation zone on April 18. The innovation zone, according to Binance's statement, was created to allow users to exchange novel and unique projects in a secure setting. It's possible that some of these initiatives have withstood the test of time and attained the high caliber we require. After rigorous analysis, the exchange announced that Shib and these other coins will no longer be in the innovation zone. Reviews based on many factors need to achieve this milestone after Binance did. In order to stress test the network, someone wrote a script that would create millions of wallets. The quantity of wallets hosted on the Shiba Inu Shibarium network beta version is still growing, which has people wondering what is causing such a rapid increase. According to recent press sources, a script was created to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network. A member of the team that created Shib, Pixel Pups, and an FTX project that was inspired by Shiba Inu recently tweeted. The individual acknowledged that they constructed a script that, on fupa.net, generated over 9 million wallets and over 3 million transactions on the test network. The team member continued by saying that they were also in charge of roughly 1620 tokens on the test network. Shib, Pixel Pups, DAO, XRP, and Shib Pixel Pups, token XRP, are a few of these tokens. The network's official block explorer, PuppyScan, indicates that there are presently 13.3 million wallet names and over 3.47 million transactions on the network. Recall that in just 2 days, the number of wallets checked climbed by 86% to over 5 million. This script was the reason of this incredible jump. The purpose of the test network is to allow interested parties to conduct various tests on the network in order to ensure that it functions properly and is dependable prior to going live on the mainnet. The founder of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, has repeatedly stated that everything on the testnet is merely for testing purposes and is not authentic. Creating a script that generates millions of wallets on the test network is a smart idea in order to evaluate the blockchain's performance and scalability. It can also assist in locating any bugs or other issues that may arise throughout the procedure. An essential step in assessing the network's dependability is to stress test it. The script's authors stated that their goal was to test the network's capacity to manage high traffic periods, such as during games or airdrops. They added that additional testing, including an airdrop script, would be conducted to evaluate the network's resilience, transaction speed, and other characteristics. Since the beginning of March, no bugs have been discovered as of yet. There has been severe burns on the Shibs. 6.78 billion Shib tokens were burnt in 540 deals in March. Thus, there was a significant increase in both the overall quantity of Shib destroyed and the number of trades in comparison to the preceding months. The greatest number of Shib burned in 2433 deals since October 2022 was 9.5 billion in March. More than 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 deals, according to the Shib burn tracker, which was updated yesterday. Of these, One wallet accounted for 25.31 million Shib. The Coinbase associated wallet was used to make the largest transaction ever. 10 Coinbase. It transferred a massive 25,313,097 Shib to the burn in a single transaction, based on the 2.93 million overall burn rate from the day before. Shib is up 11.8% in trade. The futures market indicates an upward trend as well. Since the beginning of March, there has been an increase in open interest in Shib owners. The measure is the number of open positions that investors have placed on contracts. According to Coinbase data, there are currently over 2.4 trillion open futures with a value of roughly $26.78 million. Oh, that was just roughly $18 million ago. Shib is gaining more appeal to consumers, as evidenced by the increase in open interest. The Shib price reached its highest point of the year, 15.91 cents, in early February. It peaked at $47.3 million. As of the time of writing, a Shiba Inu cost $10.80.03. Right now, the Shib price is following a continuation pattern and is moving in a rising triangle. This was discussed on News. After falling to $10.60.04, Shib has now reached an even lower low. This indicates that there is still an increase. It may be evident by the end of April who will win, the bulls or the bears. Investors are starting to show more interest in Shiba Inu lately. Its open interest for futures just shot up to 2.4 trillion, or around $27.51 million. This is a part of a gradual increase that started around a month ago. People's anticipation of a price increase are raised by this tendency of rising prices, which gives the impression that demand is once again increasing. The quantity of open futures contracts that haven't been closed out or settled by a trade that cancels them out is known as the futures open interest. It primarily displays the number of active contracts owned by market players. Rapid growth in open interest in an asset typically indicates a large influx of fresh money into the market and traders taking positions to track the direction of prices. The quantity of Shib tokens that individuals are interested in has increased by more than 52% since March 13th, when it fell as low as $18.5 million, according to CoinGlass, a tool for futures trading intelligence. It is currently valued as $2.4 trillion, or $27.51 million. Because an object's price typically increases in tandem with its open interest, the open interest chart illustrates the relationship between price movement and open interest. OA reached 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million, on February 5. Shib's price increased as well. It hit $15.20.07 on that day, making it the most valuable commodity of the year. However, Shimizu began to decline after February 5th, and the asset's price began to decline as well. The value of the open interest is increasing once more after reaching a low on March 13. Investors believe that the item's price will increase in a similar manner. Another indicator of renewed interest in Shib is the volume of trades on Binance. For the last 4 days, Shiba Inu's volume on Binance has gradually increased daily after price plummeted to $1.50.